Set to be staged from 11 to 23 July, ESS 2022 offers up a dozen days of blockbuster table tennis, with back-to-back events being held. We have WTT Star Contender, ESS 2022, from 11 to 17 July, WTT Feeder, ESS 2022, held 18 to 22 July, and WTT Champions, ESS 2022, last on the calendar set for 18 to 23 July. It's going to be a summer extravaganza of table tennis, and you don't want to miss a beat. With so much action on the horizon, we want to make sure you're up to speed on what the 3 unique events have to offer. We have already walked you through the WTT Feeder, ESS, and gave you the lowdown on WTT Star Contender, ESS 2022. For the final installment, it's time for WTT Champions. Prize money: the prize purse totals $500,000 at the combined WTT Champions, ESS 2022.